Hello Jingles, this is me again, always Jing, and welcome to my channel. And for today's video, we're gonna do a what's inside my fridge. So this is my refrigerator. On this side is the fridge, and on this one is the freezer. So first on the outside, you have the water and ice dispenser. So on this side is for the water, and on this is for the ice. So there's the light, and this for the crushed ice button and for the cube. Okay, let's open first the fridge. Okay, it's not that much inside. Before I show it to you, don't expect too much. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There. Let's start first on the side. Here at the top, I store the butter. So I have salted butter and the unsalted butter, because I like baking stuff or cooking stuff, so I usually use butter. And on this area, I have some of the condiments, mayonnaise, salad dressing. I have champagne here too, and this is ketchup and some of the sauce, leftover sauce, because I use it again. Horseradish. This is the mayonnaise I used in making the baked sushi. Let's proceed in here. Okay, this is the milk. This you usually put the milk and orange juice. We need more in beer. And on this section is the condiments too. So we have this chili sauce. We like to put that on our fried rice. And I have here the hot chili peppers. For the salad, we like to put it in salad too. Hoisin sauce, the fish sauce, and fry sauce. So it's like we like putting a lot of sauce in our food. Bottom section of the door is also the barbecue sauce, A1 sauce, Parmesan cheese, pizza sauce, what's this? Lemon juice, and this is the what's this again? Oyster sauce. Okay. These are the whitening. If we want to whiten our teeth, so just close it first, because it's not a good idea to let your fridge open for a long period of time. So as you notice on the fridge door, we have a lot of different sauces. So I like varieties when it comes to cooking, so I use that sauce. So some of it I use often, some don't. So it depends on what I'm cooking for the day. Okay. Let's start at the top. This is where I put the water and the Gatorade. In the next section where I put all the eggs and some of the leftover food On the next section are the oyster, orange juice, and the salad dressing, and nuts. Here I put the vegetables. So I have here romaine lettuce. Let's put it in there. I have carrots, green leafy vegetables, mushrooms, asparagus, cucumber, and radish. And I have also zucchini in here. Let's put it back. And on this area, I have my grated cheese for the pizza, noodles, and this is the meat that I need to cook for tomorrow. That's what's inside my fridge. So what I do is every time we run out of something, we put in a list and buy it the next time we go for grocery shopping. So next is, let's open this side. Oh, this is my freezer. So let's start on the inside part. So this is the ice dispenser. This is where all the meat. So I'm not gonna tackle it to you one by one what's in there, because they're like mixed chicken, fish, beef, pork. So yeah, so here, and I also have fish bowls there. And on this side, okay, close up. On this side, I have some ground beef too here, and I have some of it are snacks. So this banana, frozen banana. I have also some meatballs and lumpia wrappers. That's it. And this area is some meat for pizza and green peas, onion rings, stuff like that. So on this side, on the top, see, this is for the water, ice, what you call that, ice pack or something. Yeah, this bottom is empty, so I don't know what to put there yet. So in this area is the chocolate, and here is the frozen fruit. Okay, let's close. Do you notice I have frozen fruit in there? Because sometimes I use it for smoothie, or I put those in the pizza too, because those are pineapple. And that's it. My refrigerator is simple. It's just simple. It's just only me and my husband, so we don't really have that much stuff in there. Hope you like what's inside my refrigerator, or we call it fridge. So this is always Jing again. So until my next video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. on my channel, and please click the notification bell for you to be notified every time I post a new video. Until the next one, keep safe everyone. Bye! This video is requested by one of my friend. Shout out to CJ. So please subscribe on his channel. So this is his channel.